Man, I just want to plant my whole face in this thing. Okay guys, the rain is back, the chill in the air is back, but you know what else is back? Keto baking season. And today we're gonna bake up one of my favorite keto desserts. It's a warm, gooey chocolate chip skillet cookie. You wanna know how good this keto cookie is? This is the recipe that my 3 picky teenagers request most for their birthdays. Now that's saying something. Today I'm gonna show you a slightly updated version of this skillet cookie. It's lower in carbs, gooier than ever, and just as keto-licious as it's always been. We're gonna start by mixing our dry ingredients. So I have 1 3/4 cup of almond flour and 2/3 cup of brown sugar replacement. Now we're adding the gooey secret ingredient, 1/3 cup of collagen protein. Hey Carolyn, why do you always put collagen in your keto baked goods? Well, to be fair, I don't always put collagen in my keto baked goods, but in a recipe like this skillet cookie, it really helps the consistency. How does it do that? I use it to replace a little bit of the almond flour, and it gives a wonderful gooiness, just what you want in a skillet cookie. That's cool. Is collagen protein good for you? Collagen protein can be a very healthy addition to your keto diet. It helps with your skin, your hair, your nails, and your aging joints. I didn't know it could do all that. How did you get so smart? You're too sweet. Well, that was fun. Let's get back to the recipe. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And we'll just whisk our dry ingredients together until well combined. Now we can start adding our wet ingredients. So I have 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 large egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you want to take a nice rubber spatula and really work those into the dry ingredients. Now we can add our chocolate chips, and I have 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips here. And as always, I'm gonna hold a few back for the top of the cookie. You can add other things in here. You can add some chopped nuts like walnuts. I'm gonna add a few chopped pecans. And we'll just stir those in until well distributed. Now we're ready to transfer it to the pan. I'm going to use a 10-inch cast iron skillet. You don't have to use cast iron, as long as your skillet is oven-proof. If you don't have an oven-proof skillet, you can use a pie plate. Whatever you use, you want to make sure to grease the pan really, really well with things like butter or coconut oil. Get it into every corner and up the sides. Now we can just take our dough and put it into our prepared pan. And you just press it out with your fingers. Spread it all the way out as evenly as you can. And if you don't want little handprints in it, you can smooth it out with a flat bottom glass. And now our skillet cookie is ready for the oven. Oop, no, it's not ready for the oven yet. It's not ready for the oven yet. We're going to put the last of our chocolate chips on top. It goes in at 325 for 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for it to be golden brown, but it'll still be very soft and puffy. Oh baby, would you look at that? It is a gorgeous cookie and it smells amazing. Cast iron holds its heat for a very long time, so don't forget to have your oven mitts nearby. You want to let it cool 10 to 15 minutes before you dig in. You can let it cool completely if you like, but I like it when it's still gooey and warm. So let's give it a try. Now you can see that when it's warm, you have to basically scoop it out. If you want to cut nice slices, you got to wait till it cools properly. But I love it this way. I also love it with a little ice cream and either my caramel sauce or some chocolate sauce on top. But right now, we're just going to try it as is. Oh, it's soft and a little bit gooey. That is heaven. Hold on, I'm going to try a little bit more. Is there a dance? No. Okay, I'm gonna stop eating it now. You guys, you have to make this. It is one of our favorite desserts, and I can guarantee you it will be one of yours too. For this delicious keto cookie recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.